as archery season ends in Pennsylvania. And you won't believe this, but yesterday I was out, and check this out. There wasn't a drop of snow out here. We got 1.5 feet of snow yesterday and this morning. So I love hunting in the snow, but see what happens today. Deer should be moving. Yesterday I saw 3 buck, 2 6-pointers, couldn't shoot, a 4-pointer, then a ton of doe. I had doe around me all day, so we'll see what happens. I'm in my covered stand. It's still pretty bad out, so let's do this. This year I was pretty prepared. I got really prepared. I got new tires. I got some BF Goodrich rugged terrain TAs, and I haven't really used them in the snow. This will be the first time, so we'll see how they work, but pretty happy. Got new snow tires around on the van, and just brought this in. Forgot to put it in last night, and of course it got buried, so we took it off, but got new snow tires all the way around on here, so thankful for that. These things, we'll find out, not studded, but just pretty aggressive snow tires. So gonna get some plowing. I hate plowing the beginning, the first plow, because everything, as you can see, is still muddy underneath. But got the steps shoveled. Look at those snow clouds. Going out to plow some people out.
All the snow.
We got a lot of snow this in one night.
Got your snow tires in the nick of time.
Mommy, but it's not winter. How is it snow?
Mine aren't snow tires on. Mine are just
All season, real good ones.
all terrain. And then there's no snow on the ground when we went to bed last night.
Oh, nope. Green muddy
Happy
grass.
when you live on the lake.
You get dumped on.
All right, heading down to the creek on the 4-wheeler. Got a lot of snow. Let's keep coming a bit. I wanted to show you the creek. It's like amazing. It's pretty deep. Thankfully got the old 4-wheel drive. Well, we got a little snow last night, as you can see, and I'll be out here today hunting. 2 more days of archery left, today and Monday. And I love hunting in the snow though. Love it. Isn't it beautiful out here? It's absolutely beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. One of the reasons I could never move south. I love the snow. You know, by January I'm sick of it, but you know, or February, but I just love it. It's beautiful. It's just beautiful. Look around.